Hey everybody, this is my first video of a complete setup of my display channel here. We got a couple 3-inches here. All wired up. These are our guns. Down there is a 32Q board with our computer connectors here to our Starfire with the trunk wire. Listen to that crowd. Oh my goodness. Tonight's show is going to be amazing. Stay tuned. We have another board that we flipped over. It only has 2 Qs on it. That's going to hold these 2 cakes here, which is 1.3, 36 shot, peony tail, duration 28 seconds. This cake's going to go quick. And it's paired up with Twinkling Camaro with silver tail, 2.5, 36 shot. 28 seconds. This one's gonna go quick as well. Somebody gonna hit a tank? No? It looks like we might be putting runs on the board though. I can't see, but if I go up top, I can see. Look at this crowd. Sellout crowd right there. Except for maybe a few empty seats up there. But yeah, this place is packed. Another 2Q board. Set up here with this module connector. We're running, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna crisscross on the I don't know, bear with me guys. Variegated peony with tail, duration 28 seconds. Jump into another one. Same thing, so these ones are gonna go off relatively quick within each other. We have 8.2 and 8.1 there. Got a few more 3-inches here. These are the dragon eggs chained up. Look at that. That crowd's going nuts. Another 32Q board, but on this one we only have about 21, 22. Some more down here. This is all 32 here. This one is one of my favorites here. It's a 100-shot fan salute, fast, instantaneous, 1-inch. So this is gonna go quick. This is gonna go in like 5 seconds. This one here is, I can't really tell which one this is. Okay, here it is. 130 shot fan shape, strobe, red and green, mine to silver spinners. I love this one. Blue tail, silver strobe. Willow, you guys see what that means. See what it says. We got another Twinkling Camaro. It's going to pair with the one over there that I just showed you guys. This one here, big one, big banger. This one here, upside down here on this one. This one's got Crackling Comets to Crackling Willow, Red Dahlia, 35 seconds. This is a quick one. We got this beast. So yeah, This is going to be our show for tonight. Commencement Bank Stadium here for the Tacoma Rainiers, guys. What a dream come true. I love this job. Let's go.